How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2011 Mercedes C300 baby blue, just serviced. Drives really good. Exterior's in great shape except for the front lip, which we'll get to in a second, but overall, as you can see, this thing is clean. Nice V6s, loaded up too. Interior is really clean. You can see here down that front bumper looks like somebody was going over some parking curbs or something. But check out the inside. Gray leather, sunroof, 162,000 miles. Exact amount, so 162,771. This is something you might be interested in. Give us a holler, 228-438-2056. Or you can also text us. Check out more of our inventory, www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you need any work done, you got a Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche as our specialty, but we also work on other import and some domestic vehicles. Give us a holler.